On a daily basis, you probably open your smartphone to tens of websites. Open your browser and navigate to google.com. Following that, you'll visit other websites depending on your Google search, all in the pursuit of information or news data illustrations. It all relies on your own objectives. So all I'm doing is giving instances. So, assume that each time you open a website, you can generate income streams of up to $800. I know, it's mind-blowingly incredible, right? That sum is obviously not insignificant. Some folks work all day and night just to make that much money. But I'm going to show you how to do it quickly today. I guarantee that by the end of this video, you will be skilled and well on your path to financial independence. Let's jump right into the first website, which is named UpVoice. Without further ado, it's more of an extension for your Google Chrome browser than a website. That's correct. To make this strategy work, you'll need to use Google Chrome. Anyway, before we go into the sign up and download process, let's gain a better understanding of the website. So, once we've arrived at their information website, UpVoice is where you can begin earning gift cards simply by accessing social networking platforms on your computer. If you're a frequent user of social media, or even if you consider yourself a social media junkie, this is just up your alley. However, in this day and age, I believe that everyone is a heavy user of social media. As a result, this strategy will work properly for everyone. What's the deal with that UpVoice? Everything can be done in 3 simple steps, as you can see right here. After you join up, you must first install the UpVoice browser extension, which we shall discuss later. The setup is risk-free and simple to use. Step 2 is to follow the directions and visit their supported social media networks. Finally, step 3 is to earn. UpVoice surreptitiously catches ads while you explore social media platforms and rewards you with daily points that can be redeemed for gift cards. You can now practically examine the website more and find relevant material that you believe will fill up the knowledge gap yourself. This page contains all of the information you require, so feel free to scroll and browse the entire page. Once your curiosity has been piqued, you can move on to the registration process. Simply click the sign up button in the middle of the page. It will then redirect you to this page, where you can begin the registration process. You can sign in with either Google, Microsoft, or Yahoo, so choose the approach that is most convenient for you. After you've signed up, return to the steps and start with step 1, which is to install the extension on your browser. Once you've done that, you'll be able to develop a stream of revenue that allows you to make money quickly. And that is to visit social media sites, which is something you enjoy doing online. You may do this while resting in bed, waiting in line at the grocery store, or simply scrolling through your favorite applications. Imagine being able to earn a passive revenue stream simply by doing so. What a fantastic idea, and that's pretty much it for UpVoice, which means we're free to go on to the next website. The second and final website I'll discuss in today's video is none other than kmi.com. You'll immediately understand what Kmi is all about. This is where you can express yourself and shop for real money incentives. Take note of the fact that you will be earning real money, not simply points. By the way, they certainly emphasize that. However, their website is really detailed and you can find out everything you need to know right now. Now let's take a look around. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see these 3 primary features that Kmi has to offer. Businesses want to know your opinion and pay you for it in the surveys. Second, cashback, earn rewards on excellent things and enjoy having a little more money in your wallet at the end of the month. Finally, find savings on the most popular brands or simply let them show you the ones you'll like. All of this will emanate from Kmi, which is a massive platform. Continue scrolling down to see their beyond fantastic reception. As they mention right here, they're a huge thing with a respectable Trustpilot rating. Trustpilot is a credible resource for determining the effectiveness of a website. For the following step, figure out how this whole thing works. Get this, Kmi will do all the work for you because all you have to do is follow a few simple steps. To kickstart the process, you might simply take surveys while going about your daily routines, completing surveys, and earning money throughout your morning commute, during your free time when studying, or just doing the most random things in life. All you need is a PayPal account, and you can get your money in as little as a few minutes. With that said, simply return to the top of the page and begin the registration process. Fill in your email address and password right away. There's nothing else you need to do. Unfortunately, CME is presently only available in a few countries around the world, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and France. If you live in one of these countries, you should be fine. However, if you don't, you'll need to use a VPN service to access anything to its full capacity. There are numerous free VPN services available on the internet. Simply choose the one that works best for you. With that said, with this brand new strategy, you can make a crazy amount of money. If you liked our video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.